Hey guys, Specific here. I'm gonna make another video of Demolition Derby Circuit 2. Today we're gonna do another cop chase with Stock Car Retro. Let's find some cops. Hey look, there's one over there. It's on. Where'd he go? There he is. Is there another cop car that we can invite? Oh, there is. One here. Two cars are chasing me. Let's see what it looks like when we're doing this event, like a free drive, a Crazy 8. Okay. Not what I was expecting. The cops know where I was going. Oh, another one. Another smash in the front. Where'd the cops go? Oh no! I wasn't paying attention. Boom. Cop. Boom. Bye. Oh no, there's another one, just like I hit last time. Nate Wyatt? And I don't know who's the other guy, I didn't check carefully. But that's okay, let's just keep going. No. Oh no, there's another. Actually, you know what? Let's just go do a cop chase. Four all over me. No. I'm trapped, but not anymore. I can't get out of here. Four are chasing. One is down. One has crashed. Oh no. Leave me alone. One is right there. Okay, where should we go so that we don't get arrested by the cops? Oh my god. Let's escape. Oh look, there's one that flipped again. Oh, what a good one. Leave me alone. Why is he not chasing me? Is he letting me be free? I told you, one was crashed right there. Oh no, he's over there. Is he reversing? No, he's not. Leave me alone. Oh, there's one. There's one. With 2 cars chasing me, which is the police. No! Oh my god. Look at my car, it's all damaged. Bye, suckers. Hope you lose me. Oh, there's still... Oh, this dude is out. He's out. I guess all of them are out. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this of part 2. Hit the bell, like, and subscribe. Peace out, everyone.